So now we are looking at a property which is located in Selaiyur 100 feet road. So this property is exactly 1 kilometer away from a mark location. So our mark location is on the left side. So if we go straight and take left, it is on the left side, exactly 1 kilometer on the our property. So here in this road we have a service road. So here we can see we have a drain line, storm line connection. So we can connect to that. So while we are taking a market understanding, we have concluded this with Chinese work, and now the property owner is also conveying the same. So the wastewater outlet alone can be connected to this stormwater line, so that can be taken out, and the human waste will be collected in a septic tank. So we have 1010 square feet of carpet we have at the first floor. So it is the property. Our first floor is our targeted property, and the left side we have Chinese work. On the ground floor we have a saloon and a footwear shop and a mobile store here, so small store. And on the right side we have a commercial building. So at the first floor we have a dental clinic, and the ground floor we have multiple commercial spaces, and next to that we have Sangeeta Mobiles, and at the back side we have two residence building. So we have one on the half of the part. So we have setback for that building alone, and we have 2 feet of setback of our property. So at the frontage we have to take exhaust, on the back side we have to utilize that space for exhaust. So we can see it is the Chinese work. So they have installed a gas bank here, so we don't have any problem for commercial operations like us. So it is the parking space, and we can utilize this space also for parking. So as it is a service road, we don't have any much movement for vehicles, but we can utilize this space for U-turn issues and anything. So we have U-turn over there, and we can, if you want to go this side, we can go towards the service road and we can take a cutting over there. So like from here we have underground sump, so it is on inside the shop. So if we can see, so that box is the sump's cover. So if we want sump, so we can take a line from there, and we can make an opening over here, and we can pour the water here, and we can take connection from this side itself. We can't we might not disturb the saloon, or else you can make an opening over here and we can utilize this space. The owner has the idea. We have a sump of around 6,000 liters of capacity, and for staircase 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 steps. So it is the property. So we have 27 feet of length to 38 feet of width. So we have 1121 square feet. So if we minus this space, that is 17 feet to 6.5, we have 1100 square feet. So from that pillar to this pillar we have 11 feet of distance, and from this pillar to this pillar we have 11 feet, and from here to here we have 4 feet, and the same from there to here we have 11 feet, and from there we have 1.5 feet of distance. So it is the overall property view. So we have a restroom, attached restroom over here, and the ceiling height is 8.5 below the beam. So we have only cement flooring. So existingly it is a gym, so they were using mat. So we can see it is the overall property. So from this side we can take fresh air, and this side we can make exhaust. So we can utilize this space for gas bank. So we can customize the gas bank fabrication. So now we can go to the terrace. So it is a G+1 building only. So we have 500 liters of overhead tank, only with bore water. We don't have any metro connection for this city, that is this area. So the right side and left side is a wall-to-wall building, so we can't be able to do anything. But on the back side we can take fresh air, as it is a constructed building. So if we take fresh air, we don't have any problem. But we can see our property owner have given 2 feet of space at the ground floor part, but on the first floor we don't have any space for setback. But even though we can take fresh air from here, so we have a fresh air movement from that side to here. So if we take fresh air from this side, we can make exhaust on this side. So opposite to opposite we have a fresh air ventilation easily, so we don't have any issue. So it is the overall property view. So for asset movement also we don't have any hindrance. We can do asset movement from here to here, and you can see there is a downline cable here, so we have to check that alone. Instead of that, we don't have any building, any cables. The other cables were these only, network cables only. So other than that, we can do asset movement easily from here to here. So this is the property view, road view. So we have 100 feet road. We don't have any disturbance for anything. So if you want to go this side, we can approach this road. We have U-turn over there. And if you want to go this side, we can go towards the service road and we can take left. So we don't have any problem for operations here. We can run 24/7 without any hindrance. So please watch the video and share the feedback.